Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you how to make mango chutney, which can be enjoyed as a spread or a dip with different Indian dishes. This chutney is sweet, spicy, tangy and full of flavor. This recipe is so easy, you'll never have to buy this chutney from the shop, and it's a perfect accompaniment. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make mango chutney. To make this recipe, use half ripe mango, this is 650 grams, and a Anaheim chili. Now let's peel the mango, chop and keep aside. I've roasted the chili, now chop and add it to the mango. This will give a nice charred flavor to the chutney. To this I am adding half onion finely chopped and 1 inch of ginger. Into a blender add roasted chili, mango, onion and ginger. Add half cup of white vinegar and blend this into a fine puree. In a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of Garam masala powder. Keep the flame on a low medium heat and saute this for about 30 seconds. I'm adding the ground mango puree. Give this a nice mix until well combined. Now I'm adding 3/4 cup of palm sugar, a teaspoon of black salt, a tablespoon of salt. Again give a nice mix. Cook on a low medium heat throughout the process to prevent burning. Cover the pan, let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been simmering for a while. Now let's check the consistency. Liquid has evaporated. Now it has come to a nice thick chutney consistency. Turn off the flame. Add a cup of grated mango and give it a quick mix. Our mango chutney is done. You can use as a spread or a dip, and also it goes well with any Indian dishes. This recipe is so handy, you will never have to buy one again. You can also pack this for your kids' snack box, they will love it. Store it in a glass or a ceramic jar. This stays good in the refrigerator up to 6 to 8 weeks. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.